Shooting the installation video for 4514 Waring Street in Houston. I'm on the left-hand side of the home at the meter and disconnects. It is a 300 amp service. We can replace the disconnects with two 150 amp transfer switches. This will be a managed load transfer. So the ACs are located on the opposite side of the home, so we can run low volt runs up into the air handler to manage AC1 and AC2. From here, we will trench our electrical run around the outdoor kitchen and patio. We'll have to stay close to the patio here. And then across the backyard to the location of the generator. The flags are marking the placement of the pad. The left side of the pad is going to begin 268 inches off the back fence. And the back of the pad will be 18 inches off the side fence. We'll be installing a 2624 air-cooled Kohler, and this will be a managed load transfer. Gas pressure will have to be elevated, and we'll trench the gas run to the generator.